Welcome to SBAR Plus, where you can practice clinical skills anytime, anywhere. From your dashboard, you can launch new simulations, track your progress, and review past cases. Each simulation gives you the opportunity to gather patient information, make clinical decisions, and practice your SBAR reporting just like you would in a real clinical setting. Ready to begin? Click Start Simulation to dive in. Here you can customize your training scenario. First, select your clinical setting. We'll use the emergency room for this case. Then choose your complexity level, from foundational through to advanced. For this example, let's start with beginner level. Next, pick a specialty area. With over 20 specialties available, from cardiac surgery to oncology, you can practice cases that match your learning needs. Let's select cardiology for our scenario, or select I'm feeling lucky to be assigned a random clinical scenario. Once you've made your selections, click Start the simulation to begin your case. Now you'll begin gathering information about your patient. You can see the initial case details and vital signs monitor. Ask questions naturally, just as you would in a real clinical setting. Whether you're asking the patient direct questions like, "What medications do you take?" or requesting clinical information like, "What were the ECG findings?" At any point, you can click Suggest a question to see relevant questions for your patient's case. And for any answer, you can click Help me understand this answer for clinical context and guidance about how this information fits into your assessment. As the case progresses, you'll encounter critical events that require your attention. These appear as alert bars with urgent updates about your patient's condition. For each event, you'll choose from available interventions, and your decisions will impact your patient's condition. The timeline below tracks all events and your chosen interventions. Throughout the simulation, you can take notes to help organize your thoughts for the upcoming SBAR report. Remember, you're working against time, just like in a real clinical setting. When you're ready to deliver your SBAR report, click Continue to SBAR Formulation to proceed to the next phase. Now it's time to practice your SBAR report. You'll see all the information you've gathered, including your notes, on the right side of the screen. When you're ready, click Start SBAR Report to begin a real conversation with an AI provider. Once connected, you'll deliver your report just as you would in clinical practice, speaking directly to the provider about the situation, background, assessment, and recommendation. If you need guidance, click on any SBAR component below for hints about what information to include and how to structure your communication. The AI provider will listen to your report and may ask follow-up questions, creating a natural back-and-forth conversation. This is your chance to practice clear, structured communication in a risk-free environment. After delivering your report to complete the case, you'll be taken to your simulation history. Here you can see all your past training sessions and their current status. Cases will initially show as processing while your performance is analyzed. Once processing is complete, the status will update to processed, and you can click View Results to see your detailed feedback. Let's review our performance on this case. Your overall score reflects 4 key metrics: information gathering, time management, question efficiency, and SBAR quality. Below, you'll find a detailed analysis of your information gathering process, showing your timing compared to target ranges and highlighting any critical information you may have missed or unnecessary questions you asked. For your SBAR report, each component, situation, background, assessment, and recommendation, is evaluated separately. Green check marks indicate your strengths, while red indicators show areas for improvement. Each section includes specific recommendations to enhance your communication. That's SBAR Plus in action. With each case, you'll build confidence in your clinical decision-making and communication skills. Experience SBAR Plus for yourself and discover the power of AI-enabled clinical practice.